Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money using Commonwealth Bank. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser and head on over to commbank.com.au and then make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, or logged in rather, choose an account where you'd like to send money from. So I'm going to choose Smart Access. And then from here, under Smart Access, click on the Pay or Transfer button here. And then make sure you're sending money from the right account. So I'm going to keep it Smart Access. And then where it says To, click on To. And now if you've already got saved details, just click on the other accounts below and then continue on with your transfer. Or if you need to add a new payee, you can go ahead and click on Add New here. So if you want to send money to someone else's BSP and account number, put in their name, BSB and account number here like so. Or if you want to send money using BPay, click on BPay, put in the biller code, reference and biller name. And likewise, if you want to send money to a new pay via Pay ID, click on Pay ID and then select which Pay ID type, if you want to use phone, email, org, ID, ABN or ACN. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to get out of this and pay it to some other account I've got on my saved file here. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto this one here. And now where it says amount, put in that amount. I'm just going to do $1 for now. And put a description test. And then you want to go ahead and click onto next. Alright, I'm going to click on where I'm going to send it to here. I'm going to choose that account. And then where it says amount, you can put in an amount here. I'm just going to put $1. Put a description. I'm just going to type in test. Or if you want to do a recurring payment, you click on recurring. Or if you want to send money later, click on later. Once you've done that, click on to next. And then go ahead and click on pay. And there you go. There's the receipt that you've sent money to that account.